Did you know that after a car crash, your seatbelt might lock up permanently? A lot of people think it's broken, but it's actually a built-in safety feature. The mechanism inside is designed to fire and tighten the belt to hold you securely in place during an impact. The problem is, once it's locked for good. You can't unbuckle it. Imagine being trapped in your car after an accident, unable to get out because your seatbelt won't release. It's a terrifying thought, right? That's why having a seatbelt cutter within arm's reach is so important. This simple tool can slice through a jammed seatbelt in just 1 second, giving you a way to escape. It's a small investment that could make all the difference in an emergency. It could literally save your life. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.